They've never flushed before here. You want to drink that water out of it?
No.
Come on.
No, I'm not. I'm not even going to Bobby.
Oh my God. I think this is the worst I've ever seen.
That's bad. I'll turn the power off to that.
How you doing?
Good. How are you doing?
We're doing well. You got the pump, Chuck? Come on. Yeah. Yeah. It's similar. It's a beautiful day in paradise, baby.
Don't.
Hey man, we're going to call Jill. Hello? Plumber? Plomero? Woo, it's cold in here. Cold. We might have to pull this door off. Oh boy.
I think it'll come out with the door on,
Yeah.
but it's everything else.
You ain't gonna get any cool air if your line set ain't connected.
Man.
Here we go. Now we got to look for, oh, there we go. Electrical panel. I've done a video on this before. Here's how it looks, okay? PAC, there's a post-it in here with an arrow on it. That's helping. Let's see, where we going? How hard here is number 13 and number 14. Oh, it's the one already shut off because they had a guest here that knew some things about some things. So
Is there a bathroom right there?
yeah, I'm gonna get in there and turn that light on. Come on. Oh boy.
You ever plug in right up above your head over there?
Yeah. I'll get plugged in. You know you're losing your hair?
Yeah, I've been told.
I try to get your good angle, dude, but you're always down there on your knees,
You know,
brother.
It's working with Tyler does this to you. It makes you go old before you die.
Shoot. Oh, you blaming me for that?
Oh yeah.
Oh, man.
Oh yeah, baby.
Is there an outlet in there?
Yeah, right.
Next to that sink? What do we need? Nothing. Open it by hand. Alright.
Pull this to me a little bit.
1, 2, 3, here we go. This thing about to go down faster than a fat kid on a seesaw.
Hey, you know, like a hair on a biscuit.
Oh boy. It's gonna be a sketchy one. I already don't like it. plastic valves. Now, if you didn't know, when you're draining a water heater, sometimes it's best to leave the pressure onto the tank. You're gonna push through any debris at the bottom of this tank using the pressure from your water system. So, leave the water on, hook up your hose, open the valve, let the pressure push that debris through here so it doesn't clog it. And then once it starts flowing and flushes quite a bit of debris out, then we can turn off the main shutoff valve to the heater and let gravity do its job. In this event, let a pump do its job, but both the same. It'll make the process of draining much more efficient. Also, it's a good way to flush your water heater. You don't even have to turn off that valve. I'm gonna tell you that right now. If you can hook up a garden hose, right here, hook up a garden hose, you can flush your own water heater. We're only here to save you thousands in hopes that you hit the subscribe button. Like a video, tell a friend, turn that pump on. I'm gonna shut her down while you get it on. So now we're gonna shut the valve off. It's a gate valve, so give me 2 minutes. Boom. Now I'm gonna open hot side. Open the hot side, you got it? All right, we're pulling air. We going. We going, baby. Now I have to shut the main off. Because in here, we got a gate valve from the Titanic on polybutylene. No good, no good. But that's how she rolls. What was that?
You were sitting, right?
Yeah. You think? Can't say unit. Well, it's directly below. It's
115.
yeah, it's, if you go back down those stairs, come all the way back over to the carport over here, you'll see all the AC condensers and then all the ball valves.
And they're marked.
I bet they are marked. They might be marked, they might not be legible. Alright. Do we fire your dad?
What?
Should we fire your dad? Yeah. Let's go, Alex. We should have brought a fishing pole, dude. Look at all them fish.
Can't.
You tell him.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
You're fired.
What?
You're fired.
All right.
All right.
Do me a favor. I guess I'll go home without having to get this up and down. So. We'll drive the boat to Dodge.
You ain't driving nothing. Alex just fired you. You know, there's 2 good days owning a boat. Oh. That's what they told me anyway. That's the truth.
To see how much easier this one's going to go in.
Did you say that out loud?
Yes, I did.
Oh my goodness, he does that to us every time.
Yeah.
This is gonna be easy. We're stuck here for 4 hours. All right. Oh yeah.
Get me, Dad. Get me.
Let me show you how the real men do it. Oh, just pick up a whole water heater. You need some of those.
Yep. What's that?
TMP valve.
Temperature and pressure.
Yep.
Yeah, you knew it, dude. He's gonna pass his Florida Masters exam first try.
Yes, he is. Yeah. Yeah.
It's really not that bad, you know? It's pretty easy.
Yep. Who's that?
Oh, help him.
Pull. No pull. Don't do that to this old guy. Where's the water heater pan? Tanner gets to the top. Oh, he turned around. Hey, come hold this door. Alex, please.
Yeah, I get it.
Thank you.
He's gone.
Hi, y'all.
My dad's gone.
He went to go get the water heater pan.
Oh, yeah.
Here we go. We get this thing. We gotta clean that whole thing out. Looks like it's got hair from 40 cats.
Now let's open the door.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh Yosha.
And we'll lay this here. Now.
Got it?
Yeah.
Woo!
Vacuum.
Most of my time's gonna be cleaning. See you back here in 30 minutes. I lied. It wasn't 30 minutes. Chuck, how long did it take you to clean this area up?
30 minutes.
Oh, damn.
No, about 5.
The rust? Can't do anything about that. Now, if you're doing one of these water heaters, you better be cleaning. Don't tell our wives we know how to use this tool right here, the vacuum. They're gonna be asking us to do all kinds of stuff. Add it to the honey-do list, baby.
Okay, hand me the poly
Got it.
couplers.
Poly. Crimper. Crimpermatic.
Is this the right ring?
Yeah, dude.
Are you sure?
Stop it.
They 2 different packages.
No, it's one package with 2 rings.
2 different brands.
You got a bit different? You bought a different one?
One comes from Lowe's and one comes from Southern Plant.
Why'd you buy this guy?
I've had it.
You want me to read it? Look at this. You can get these from Lowe's. If you have polybutylene, if you polybutylene and you're going to PEX, they make an adapter. So, but you need a special crimp tool. See that? This guy is fancy. So, the part with mini barbs on it, I think it's got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 barbs on it. That's going to your polybutylene side. And it's going to get this copper ring. The other side, it's got 1, 2 barbs. That's for PEX. And it gets this bronze ring. But Chuck wants me to read it as
Just
if
so
it's going to tell me.
Just so I climb.
And I promise it won't.
Just so our followers know.
Yeah, but I'm saying if they buy this at the store, it's not going to tell them which ring to use. Maybe they put on the ring now.
Some they do, some they don't.
Yeah, they do. PB. On the
PB?
copper. Yeah.
Told you.
And then on your black or bronze one, it's going to say PEX. What you want?
Another poly coupler. I need the coupler too. Thank you.
What's funny?
No,
Huh?
a bad.
Your pants are falling down, boy.
Okay.
Charlie, get this boy a belt.
He's got a bell at the house.
I got some shoestrings laying around I give you. How close did you cut that? The polybutylene on the cold side.
I got plenty of room.
I
can
cut-
put it back. See?
Okay.
Come on, Baba.
Sorry about it. I'm going to be quiet now.
He's micromanaging me again.
I'm going to be quiet.
Can't push it.
Me?
We
Oh,
got fired.
I'm fired?
Yep.
It's my first day. You can't get fired on your first day. Anyone in the class, can you tell me what this is?
Bio.
Thermal expansion valve.
Thermal expansion valve. Very
We
good.
have to use those when we can't put a thermal tank on a water heater because we don't have room
Yeah, that's right.
to make it up to code.
Let me tell you something. How many people down here think use these?
None but us.
Oh. Oh, that was aggressive.
Because we do things the correct way.
Well, I think there's people that do it the correct way too. But.
They do, but I haven't seen none of this.
That.
What?
Yeah. Give me. Give me. Rabbit. Give me rabbit.
Hello, here too. Cutters. And you didn't get a PVC one, did you? You know, I thought I had one.
We bought them. Remember, I put them in the water heater pan at the last one. I was like, let's get a couple, and then we got a 10-foot stick of CPVC. Come on, Bubby.
I'll have to go down there and find them. I think I threw them in a bucket.
It's kind of nice. You can crimp this one from above if you need to, because the giant hole the HVAC guy cut out. What'd you say, Alex?
My dad's bald.
Your dad's bald?
No.
Oh.
Okay, Alex, let's see how we play this
Oh, I thought for sure that's what he said. My dad's bald.
No, I gotta come back.
What'd you say?
My dad is bald.
Your dad's the boss?
Yeah.
Oh, chill.
You just call. Tell you funny.
I'm funny?
Yeah, I'm gonna cut you.
You're my best friend.
Yeah.
Come on, give me some. Did you hear that, Chuck?
Dad.
Hang on, you know what you're doing wrong? No, no, no. I don't know if you were doing anything wrong. That was just a test, okay? Saw you freaking out.
No, I think it's right.
Well, that's all I was wondering.
Well, don't say stuff like that, because then you got me seven.
I didn't say, hold on, you did something wrong.
You said, you know what you're doing wrong?
Oh, I did?
You got me second guessing myself. Like, okay, let me look at all this real fast.
I look good, Bobby. We did good. Didn't get to end our video the other night of the water heater. The battery died on the GoPro per usual, but we wrapped that project up, got it all set, tested, made sure we stuck around, and the water heater started to heat up properly, and got a nice 5-star review out of it. Earned another customer and some loyalty in the community, continuing to do, you know, good work and grow our brand, and we're so grateful for all these opportunities we get in both the communities we're in, and we look forward to seeing you guys on the next episode. I appreciate you tuning in and watching and liking and subscribing. It means a lot to us. So we'll catch you on the next one. Have a good evening.